Socrates once famously said, "I know that I know nothing." In this video, we'll explore the significance of this profound quote, delve into its true meaning, and uncover the valuable lessons it offers about humility, self-awareness, and the pursuit of wisdom. We'll examine how Socrates' words can enhance our understanding of ourselves and highlight their continued relevance in today's world. When Socrates declared, "I know that I know nothing," he was acknowledging his own ignorance. But what does this mean for us today? Socrates didn't claim to have all the answers. He recognized the vastness of knowledge and his own limitations. This humility is a cornerstone of his philosophy. By admitting his ignorance, Socrates positioned himself as a perpetual learner. He used this mindset to engage others in questioning their beliefs and assumptions. This approach teaches us that acknowledging our lack of knowledge is the first step towards learning and growth. In today's world, admitting ignorance can seem like a weakness, but Socrates showed that true strength lies in the courage to admit what we don't know and the willingness to learn. From scientists to everyday people, those who recognize their own ignorance are often the ones who push the boundaries of knowledge. Scientists who acknowledge what they don't know are the ones who make groundbreaking discoveries. Isaac Newton once said, "If I have seen further, it is by standing on the shoulders of giants." In our personal lives, embracing Socratic humility can lead to more meaningful relationships. By admitting we don't have all the answers, we open the door to genuine dialogue and learning from others. In education, teachers who embody Socratic principles inspire students to become lifelong learners. Instead of just imparting facts, they encourage students to ask questions and explore ideas. Socrates' declaration, "I know that I know nothing," encourages us to embrace curiosity, humility, and open-mindedness. It challenges us to question our assumptions and be receptive to new ideas. By adopting this philosophy, we can foster a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. Socrates' ancient wisdom remains incredibly relevant today. As we navigate the complexities of modern life, let us remember Socrates' words. Approach each day with the humility and curiosity of a true learner. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Stay curious and keep learning.